Hello everyone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your username on Kik. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to kik.com. Make sure you're signed into your account. Click on your profile picture at the top right, then go to Settings. Now scroll down until you see the username section. To change your username, you need to enable two-factor authentication. Click on Enable two-factor authentication. Kik will show you a set of characters. Copy the code and open the Google Authenticator extension from the Chrome Web Store. In the extension, choose to add manually and paste the characters you copied. You'll get a 6-digit code. Copy it, go back to Kik, and paste the code into the field. Click Verify to finish setting up two-factor authentication. Now go back, enter your new username, and click Save Changes. That's it. Your username is now changed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.